All right, guys, behind me, what you have is the De'Longhi Magnifica coffee. So as you can see here, it makes latte macchiato, it makes cappuccino, espresso, coffee, hot water. My wife got this machine for her kind of storage space, her industrial space, where she runs her design business and her wall covering business. So she needed a decent coffee maker that's not overly priced. And, you know, it's got a small footprint. You could see on the side here that this is the water reservoir. Up top, you have the coffee beans. So guys, this is fresh coffee. This is fresh coffee. This is not like ground up beans. It's fresh coffee that gets ground as you make it, boom. And you see this little knob right here if you want to have finer coffee or more strong coffee versus more coarse bean. And if you want to make a latte macchiato or a cappuccino, you got this little contraption here, which fits right here. And now you could see the latte and the cappuccino light up. I'm going to make a cappuccino just to show you how it all works. Now I got the milk in, I put in the milk, and you can see here, all these cool things light up. Put the cup under here, and let's hit cappuccino. Look at that beautiful frothy milk. Guys, I've done a lot of videos on coffee machines. Some of them could cost $2,000 to $4,000. This one's very inexpensive, great machine, really tasty coffee, and you can make all the same drinks that the $2,000 machine can make as well. Perfect machine. Talk to you soon.